दोस्तों आज की इस वीडियो में हम सभी बात करेंगे 2023 में ईरान के सामने फ्रांस कितना देर टिक पाएगा। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना कोई देरी के। बेसिस फैक्ट, टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ईरान इज 8.7 करोड़ एंड फ्रांस 6.7 करोड़। पॉपुलेशन रैंकिंग, ईरान 17th एंड फ्रांस 20th। नॉमिनल जीडीपी, इजराइल $2 trillion एंड फ्रांस $2.8 trillion। डिफेंस बजट, ईरान $25 billion एंड France $48 billion. Size ranking, Iran 70th and France 42. Air power or military power, total active personnel of Iran is 6 lakh and France 3 lakh. Total military aircraft of Iran is 600 and France 1000. Frigates or interceptor, Iran has 190 units and France has 170 units. Ground attack aircraft, Iran has 90 units and France has 68 units. Combat helicopter, Iran has 130 units and Iran has 70 units. Nuclear warhead, Iran has 0 units and France has 290 units. Now land power. So main battle tank of Iran is 4000 and France has 400. Total armored vehicles, Iran has more than 8,000 units and France has 6,600 units. Self-propelled artillery, Iran has 580 units and France has 90 units. Toward artillery, Iran has 2,050 units and France has 12 units. Multiple rocket launcher, Iran has 1400 units and France has 13 units. Now naval power. So aircraft carrier, Iran 0, France 1/3. Destroyer ship, Iran 0, France 10. Frigates, Iran 7, France 11. Corvette, Iran 3, France 0. Submarines, Iran 19 and France 9.